While the Samsung Galaxy S24 is still fresh in our minds, the tech giant is already working on its next flagship device, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With rumors starting to surface, we can't help but wonder what's in store for us. Will it be a game changer or just an incremental update? In this video, we'll dive into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From camera upgrades to performance enhancements, we'll explore what makes this device tick. With Samsung's track record of innovation, as the rumor mill starts to churn, one thing is clear: Samsung is gearing up to take the camera phone game to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Building on their strong focus on Galaxy IE features, we can expect even more innovative tech to be packed into this flagship device. But what's really got us excited is the prospect of camera enhancements that could leave Apple in the dust. With Samsung's track record of pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography, we can't wait to see what's in store. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the rumors and explore what's next for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From camera upgrades to performance boosts, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started and find out what makes this device the most anticipated release of 2025. As we eagerly await the arrival of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, let's dive into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding this highly anticipated device. From design to display, cameras to performance, we'll cover it all. Design. Titanium is the new black. Samsung's recent switch to titanium in the Galaxy S24 Ultra frame suggests a similar design approach for the S25 model. Expect a sleek, premium look with vertically stacked cameras on the back. Display. Bigger is better. Rumors hint at a larger display for the entry-level model, growing to 6.36 inches. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might even boast a massive 6.9-inch screen, perfect for immersing yourself in your favorite content. Cameras. Camera enthusiasts rejoice. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 200-megapixel main sensor and 100-megapixel space zoom capability set a new standard. With potential enhancements on the horizon, this device is shaping up to be a photography powerhouse. Performance. Speed demons, get ready. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset is likely to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra, following in the footsteps of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Battery life. Power up. While it's uncertain if Samsung will fit a larger battery, rumors suggest the S25 Ultra will retain the same 5000 mAh cell and 45W charging speed. More than enough to keep you going all day. As we look ahead to the debut of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, one thing is certain: Android 15 will be leading the charge. With the Galaxy S24 already enjoying an impressive 7 years of software support, we can expect the same level of commitment from Samsung for the S25 lineup. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also rumored to introduce enhanced Galaxy IE features, building on the innovative tech that debuted with the S24 series. With Samsung's track record of pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, we can't wait to see what's in store.